Now it's filming. All right. So people, I promise you part 2 of the African King from Africa up in the Mosha Reggae Lounge. He was here earlier and he had some plantains and he ordered the jerk chicken, paid for it, and then he left. So now we're gonna get him to tell you how the jerk chicken was.
This is one of the best jerk chickens that I've eaten. It is superb.
Thank you, my brother.
Like, I'm running out of adjectives to describe
Oh
it.
my God.
This is good.
You hear what he said?
Really good.
You know this brother is educated. He says adjectives. How many? If you speak English, you can understand what he's saying because he stressed it. He's running out of adjectives. Man, that's a perfect compliment. Look at that. And if you watch the first video, you hear what he said about jerk chicken, right? He had jerk chicken all over. Because you live in, where do you live in America?
Chicago.
Chicago. And Chicago have a lot of...
And we have some of the best jerk chicken, some of the best Jamaican restaurants
You hear that?
in the country.
And he said this is one of the best he's tasted. It's coming from his mouth. So respect my brother, one love, and enjoy. And this is Jenny up in the house. Jenny, my girl from the beach, working with me. Jenny ain't leaving me out. Jenny always with me, working. She don't eat vegetables. Don't you think Jenny should eat vegetables? Jenny don't want to eat no vegetables. And this is my new friend. Okay, brother, where you from? How's the jerk chicken, by the way?
Excellent.
You hear that?
Very good.
I catch him. He didn't even know I was gonna come over here, but I catch him off the hook. So where you from, brother, in the States? He can't.
Black River Falls, Wisconsin.
Oh, Wisconsin. So you know they know their food up
I'm
there.
his neighbor.
He is his neighbor from Chicago. You see that, guys?
I have a lot of friends from Chicago.
So that's how we do it up in the Mosha Reggae Lounge. We have all kind of people. All right, wherever you're from. So listen, the new location of the Mosha Reggae Lounge. Look, you can see it. Mosha Reggae Lounge. This is the new location. All right, guys. This is the phone number if you want to order. All right. This one is the office. This is the WhatsApp. Okay. So this is it, and we deliver to Sosua, Puerto Plata, and Cabarete. All right, guys. So we know we have hookah. But everybody asking me for hookah, so we have hookah. All right, guys. So Mosha out. If you can't be good, be careful. Stop talking bad about people. Say something good, because when you say something bad about people, it's gonna come back at you. Believe it or not. Don't say nothing bad about people. If they talk bad about you, let them talk bad. You say something good about them. All right? Heap coals of fire upon their head, right? All of them. My bro.